The earthquakes. We will understand the earthquakes by: what is an earthquake? What causes an earthquake? Protection against earthquakes. Let's discuss. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is a sudden shaking or trembling of the earth lasting for a very short time. Earthquakes occur all the time, all over the earth. Earthquakes can cause immense damage to buildings, bridges, dams, and people. What causes an earthquake? Our Earth having many layers, these are inner core, outer core, mantle, and the upper layer called crust. The outermost layer of the Earth is not in one piece, it is fragmented. Each fragment is called a plate. These plates are in continual motion. As they move, they collide in many ways. Sometimes plates get linked to each other while moving. This happens at the boundaries, where two plates meet. These boundaries are called fault line. As the plates try to move, lots of pressure builds up. When blocks gives away, this stored energy is released. The point where this stored energy is released is called hypercenter. When the released energy reaches the surface, we feel the earth shaking. This is an earthquake. The point on the surface, which is directly above the hypercenter, is known as epicenter. The earthquake is strongest at the epicenter. Seismic or fault zones. We know earthquakes are caused by the movement of plates. The boundaries of the plates are the weak zones where earthquakes are more likely to occur. The weak zones are also known as seismic or fault zones. India, the areas most threatened are Kashmir, Western and Central Himalayas, the whole of Northeast, Rann of Kutch, Rajasthan, and the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Earthquakes are measured by instrument called seismograph. Richter scale. The power of an earthquake is expressed in terms of magnitude on a scale called Richter scale. Really destructive earthquakes have magnitudes higher than 7 on the Richter scale. Both Bhuj and Kashmir earthquakes had magnitudes greater than 7.5.